And if you guys are wondering about what computer am I using right now to actually to play Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K 60 frames per second, are you guys ready? I'm going to make an attempt to take down this elite unit in the game. Wish me luck. I'm probably going to lose. Here we go. Just going straight after the Trauma Team. Trauma Team is the toughest guys in the entire game. Wow. The point of me showing you this actually is to show you that this computer is capable of playing Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K 60 frames per second with ray tracing on, which makes it an absolute monster of a computer. This is arguably one of the most demanding video games on the market today, if not the most demanding video game graphically. And this computer has a RTX 3080 graphics card built in. I've got an i9 processor in it, and I am able to do ray tracing with almost full maxed out ultra graphics on this game. And so if you're looking to do 4K gaming, if you're looking to do 4K video editing, this machine is going to be absolutely amazing for you. So this computer right here, if you guys are in the market to buy a computer, or even just you like looking at computers, here's the computer. This is it. This is the HP Omen computer. Let me show you the front of it right here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's this black obelisk style case. And it has some monster onboard fans to keep it cool. They are blowing like a beast right now. And right now with this computer, it's got 64 gigabytes of HyperX RAM in it, so I can do 4K gaming and 4K video editing, which is great. And most importantly, see that bad boy down there? That is an RTX 3080 graphics card inside the computer. It is almost impossible to get 30 series graphics cards, right? For any of you guys out there that have shopped for a 30 series graphics card, it's almost impossible to pick one up because of scalpers, right? Because of people pirating on the market. Amazon's doing their best. Other vendors are doing their best too to deal with this issue, but at the end of the day, the most reliable way to get a 30 series graphics card is to buy one in a pre-built computer. It's also got an i9 processor, as you can see there, with liquid cooling, a solid state drive, and a storage drive all on board. Kind of see what the specs are on it, and we can talk a little bit more about pre-built computers and what's available on the market, okay? And so the 2021 HP 30L computer, and so that one is going to be, it's going to have like limited availability depending on when you're trying to buy it. I mean, the price will change, of course, over time, but this is it. It's the HP Omen 30L. And what's amazing about this computer is the fact that you get that this particular model has a 3070 graphics card in it, which is amazing. It's like the third best graphics card out there. And it's got the i9 1085K processor, which is the second best i9 processor on the market. Liquid cooled in the whole nine. So you've got it. Seriously, guys, you've got to check out these pre-built machines on Amazon. They're freaking great.